fraction. Reciprocal of the fraction means what? See here, reciprocal of the fraction. Suppose a upon b is a fraction. Then reciprocal means what? B upon a. Means denominator will go to numerator and numerator will come to denominator. This is the reciprocal of a upon b. What is the reciprocal of a upon b? B upon a. Where a is not equal to 0. A's value should be more than 0. It never should be 0. So, in reciprocal of the fraction, numerator and denominator exchange positions. See students, for example, if I ask you to write reciprocal of 2 upon 3, what will be reciprocal of 2 upon 3? Reciprocal will be, it will be, 3 will go to numerator and 2 will come at denominator. Okay, they exchange their positions. So 2 upon 3, the reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Suppose, if I ask what is the reciprocal of 2? Now students, here nothing is there at denominator. That means what is there? Always we should keep in mind. Nothing is there. That time 1 is there at the denominator. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal is what it will be? Can you tell me? It will be denominator 1 we have to write and 2 will go at the denominator. Got it? Anyhow this is at numerator. It will go at denominator. So here what will be there? 1. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Followed how to write reciprocal of the given fraction? Just exchange the positions of numerator and denominator. Okay. Now division of fractions. Okay. In the division of fraction, again like multiplication 3 cases are there. Case first, division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay. Means now here see x is a whole number, a upon b is a fraction. So x divided by a upon b. What we have to do? We have to, when division is there, we have to take reciprocal of b of fraction and we have to multiply the whole number. That is x into, take reciprocal. Instead of division, multiply and take reciprocal of this. That is b upon a. So that is equal to whole part into numerator divided by denominator. See here, to divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply, we have to multiply the whole number by reciprocal of the fraction. Whenever there is division of whole number by fraction, what we have to do? We have to multiply when there is division. That time we have to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the given fraction. That is C a upon b, b upon b. And then x into b upon a. In this way we are doing. This is the case first. In case second, division of fraction by a non-zero whole number. Now here whole number was divided by fraction. Now here fraction is divided by whole number. That time what we have to do? That time we have to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of whole number. Now what will be the reciprocal of whole number? 1 upon x. I told you nothing is there at denominator, that means 1 is always there. So what is reciprocal of x upon 1? 1 upon x. Though 1 is not given, x will go at denominator and we have to write 1 at the numerator. So whenever we have to divide a fraction by a whole number, we have to multiply. Instead of this, we can convert a division into multiplication and we have to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of this whole number. That is equal to a into 1 is a upon b into x. So to divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the first fraction by reciprocal of the whole number. See, I will give you here both the examples. Now suppose 4 is there divided by, this is 3 upon 9. Okay. 4 nines are 36 upon 3. Followed in this way. And 36 also you can divide by 3. Answer will be 12. Followed? So and now here see. Here any one example I will give you. 5 upon 19. Okay, one fraction. Yeah, fraction divided by a whole number. Whole number suppose I have taken 4. So what to do that time? Fraction. We have two fraction. We have to, instead of division, we have to multiply with the reciprocal of 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? 1 upon 4. Got it? And then what we have to do? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That is 5 ones are 5 and this what it will come? 19 fours are 76. So this is the answer. In this way we have to solve. By the example you will understand actually what to do. Okay? See here, both the cases. Now case 3, division of a fraction by a fraction. So see here, a upon b fraction we have to divide by another fraction c upon d. In this case what we are going to do? We are going to multiply. See here, when division of fraction and fraction is there, that time we have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, that is d upon, now c upon d. What is the reciprocal of this? D upon c. Then a into d and b into c. Like that we have to do. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. For example, see here, 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon say 7. Okay, 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 7. This is division of fraction by fraction. So that time what we have to do? Write first fraction as it is and multiply this fraction by the reciprocal of this, that is 7 upon 5. Followed? So reciprocal of 5 upon 7 is 7 upon 5. So 2 into 7, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 7 2s are 40, 3 5s are 15. This is the answer. Okay? Students, now we will solve next practice. See, though I have written in this way, you don't write in this way in the notebook. In the notebook, you solve one by one. Okay, you don't solve like this. Followed? First, you write on the one page first, then second, then third, then fourth. Like that you write. Don't write like this. Okay? I have written because for me, place is not there. That's why. So see here, now divide the following. Just now we learned 3 cases how to divide. So here see, division of whole number by fraction. So how to write is 2 divided by 3 upon 7. Okay, divide. No? So in this whole number when divided by fraction, what do we do? That time we are multiplying whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, first case. So 2 into 7 divided by 3. 7 2s are 14. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator. 2 7s are 14. Followed? Here also same. Case first. 3 whole number divided by fraction. So that time what we have to do? We have to multiply whole number by the reciprocal of fraction. That is 3 into 9 upon 4. 3 9s are 27 upon 4. Okay. Next, again we have to same whole number we have to divide by 5 upon 7. Now instead of division, what we have to do? Multiply with the reciprocal of this. Correct? So see, 5 into 7 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35 divided by 5. Now 35 divided by 5. What answer you will get? 7. We can divide. 35 is there in 5 table. So answer is 7. Now here see, second case. Fraction we have to divide by a whole number. That time what we have to do? See here. 2 upon 5 divided by whole number. Okay. That time we have to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of whole number. Now what is the reciprocal of 4? 1 upon 4. Correct? See here, nothing is there at its denominator. That means what is there? 1 is there. So that 1 will go at numerator and 4 will be at denominator. So reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. Okay. Now do 2 into 1, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That is 2 1s are 2, 5 4s are 20. Now students, 2 and 20 comes in 2's table. So what I will do? Will divide it by 2. Because it is divisible, no? So 2 divided by 2, 1 and 20 divided by 2, 2 tens are 20. So answer is 1 upon 10. Further can we divide this? No, because 1 and 10, see, 1 doesn't come in any other table except itself. So this is the answer. Now fifth one. Same, second case. 3 upon 7 divided by 7. That means we have to multiply this fraction by reciprocal of 7. That is 1 upon 7. Okay. That is 3 into 1. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 3 1s are 3. 7 7s are 49. Follow? Next. 3 upon 8 divided by 13. Same case. Second case. So that time we have to multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of it. That is 1 upon 30. So 3 into 1 and 8 into 13. So 3 1s are 3 and 13 8s are 104. Okay. In this way we have to carry out division. In division what do? We multiply with the reciprocal of the given. Okay. Now see seventh one. This is third case. Fraction divided by fraction. So 3 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3. So 3 upon 7 division means we have to multiply with the reciprocal of second fraction. Keep in mind. So 3 into 3 upon 7 into 2. That is 3 3s are 9, 7 2s are 14. Okay. This is the third case of division. Now here see. Here mixed fraction is there. That we have to divide by fraction. So first write 2 upon 1 and 2 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. First what we will do? We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. And then we will do further. So that is 1 into 9 plus 2. 1 into 9 plus 2 divided by 9 divided by 2 upon 3. This we will write as it is first. 9 1s are 9 plus 2 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. That is 9 plus 2, 11 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Now see, division of fraction with fraction, correct? Now next step is 11 upon 9. What we will do? Instead of division, we will multiply fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction. That is 2 upon 3. What is the reciprocal? 3 upon 2. Now multiply 11 into 3, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Correct? So 11 3s are 33 and 9 2s are 18. Now this is improper fraction. So you can convert it. How? Divide 33 by 18. 18 1s are 18. Okay? So 3 can't. So here 13, here 2. 13 minus 8, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. That is denominator write as it is. Remainder will go at numerator and quotient will come as whole part. So answer is 1 and 15 upon 18. In mixed fraction we have to write. Okay.